Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we're making Champ and Colcannon. This is a very popular traditional Irish dish that dates back hundreds of years, but is also receiving something of a revival in trendy restaurants. However, there's nothing pretentious about Champ because it's cheap, easy to make, and delicious. Are you ready to make this? Let's begin with the list of ingredients. 8 potatoes. Butter, spring onions or scallions as they call them here in Ireland, white cabbage, and also a glass of milk. Extra points to anyone that knows what the Irish word for milk is. Leave it in the comments. And now onto the method. Begin by peeling and cutting the potatoes. By the way, I normally use a potato peeler, but I remember a few years back when I saw my mother-in-law, who was a wonderful Irish lady and a great cook, peeling hers with just a knife. I decided in my naivety to challenge her to a peeling contest with my peeler. Needless to say, I lost. Then either boil them or steam them in a pan. You want them to be soft, but not mushy. While the potatoes are cooking, chop up the spring onions finely. We want to use both the green and the white parts. Heat up the milk and cook the spring onions in there for about 5 minutes. When the potatoes are cooked, drain the water and mash them with salt and pepper and plenty of butter until they're nice and creamy. Then stir in the milk and scallions until the potatoes are nice and smooth. So that's how you make Champ. It's great as a side dish or even on its own. Colcannon is made in the same way, but with the addition of cabbage, usually white cabbage, although sometimes kale is also sometimes used. If you want to go hardcore, try adding stinging nettles, because that's what was used to make Colcannon up until 100 years ago. So there you have it, guys. That's how you make traditional Champ and Colcannon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.